Hello everyone. Today is a very exciting day for me. My friend Sneha Sengupta, we go long back from JU days. Today, she's back to the city with a wonderful crown, which is the pride of East. Welcome, Sneha.
Thank you so
And
much.
congratulations for getting the beautiful crown for our city.
Thank you so much, Adelina.
So, Sneha, it's your journey from being a journalist to be a pageant winner. So, how has the journey been?
Oh, it was a roller coaster in one word. Um, I'm a journalist. I just took a sabbatical for a year last year. After I visited Cannes International Film Festival, I thought that it's time for me to give time to my daughter, and I slept for 2 months long. And I'm a workaholic, all journalists are. Then I thought that I need to do something. What is that one thing I should do? I was searching for that one thing, and um, this call came to me to be the finalist of Mrs. India Queen of Substance, and I enrolled. And I must say one thing. This is a very I don't know. This is a universal. I think game or something by the Almighty, that when Adolina came from
When I was
Greece,
participating in
yeah,
Mrs. India, Sneha was the first
journalist.
journalist to take my interview. And when she's back, now I am taking a kind of interview or friendly chat with her, as I
Yes,
might
when
say.
she was one of the winners in very important pageants that time. In fact, that is very important pageant till date. And when she came back, I went to take her interview. She was a Mrs. Category candidate, and she made us all proud. And and I was the first journalist to interview her. And इत्तेफाक देखो, now I am speaking to her for the first time after I came back from New
I'm taking
Delhi.
Sneha's interview.
This is very
Right, right.
very interesting. So I'm going back. So this thing came to me, and I thought that we as journalists, we live in a reflected glory. Like, we take interviews of famous personalities, and we always find the grass is greener on the other side. So I always saw the struggle of celebrities, pageant winners, and but one cannot comment on a perfection until and unless she or he participates in that. I thought that I need to challenge my limitations. I am a sneaker wearing person. I was really, I was a bit bloated that time. I became a mom. There was a back pain and no gymming, only eating and sleeping and doing my desk job. So let me give it a try and let's do something. And I think the life of a woman is very incomplete without a pageant life. I don't know how much you will agree to
Right.
this.
I'll remember one day I received a call before Sneha was going for the pageant. She asked me, "Acha, আমি কি pageant এ যাবো? আমি কি পারবো?" I was like, "You are balancing a journalist life. You are a mother. You are juggling and balancing it so well. Why not this? Give
Hmm.
it a shot." I remember that call, and then that day when I saw Sneha, because in my memory, Sneha being the journalist, being in Jodhpur days, a girl with sneakers, comfort dressing. Now she's all in her poise, walking in the heels, and we were just discussing that you can also run in the heels,
I can
right?
run in the heels. I can stand on heels for hours.
Right?
Hours.
I mean, what a wonderful transformation from that day to
This
this,
day. I
right?
think it's a span of 6 months or 5 months.
It's
Not
been it's almost 6 months
six
that.
months. Yeah, yeah. It
Right.
took just 6 months for the transformation.
So, Sneha, what is your take on pageant? We hear a lot about pageant journey, contest. So, what you personally feel about it?
Well, I would love to answer this question because when I thought of participating in a pageant like an international pageant like MIQS, I shared this news to some of the people I know, and the first reaction I got was, "Oh, so you're walking the ramp on a bikini?" See,
Seriously?
yeah, yeah. I received it from a
Okay.
very, I received this reaction from a very renowned journalist, a very senior journalist. Okay. Um, and I was a bit taken aback. This is what the perception people has about pageant life. But sorry, dude, it's not like that. It's a transformation. It is not only walking the ramp, it is all about confidence, transformation, and challenging your limitations. You know that you are not capable of doing something, then you suddenly start doing those things where you always had that question, am I capable of doing it? Don't have that question in your mind. If you start questioning yourself, the world will put a question mark in front of you. You must give a challenge to yourself that if that is bothering me, then I must take that challenge and I must prove myself wrong first. And that is the reason I took part. And another thing is also there, when a woman becomes a wife, when a woman becomes a mother, the world treats her like that she is there to serve others. Now that is not something a woman should do to keep herself happy. It's only one life. If a man is having one life, a woman is also having one life, and just give it a shot. If you're a mother, the world will not stop you to dream. If you do something even after becoming a mother, then you are setting example to in front of your child that this is what a mother can achieve. You are actually setting example in front of your child that I, being your mother, I can do this, and the child automatically learns.
So the child becomes the role model what the mother does, right?
Of course.
And I'm so happy that you have embarked on this journey and you've hit the nail on the right points. That this pageant journey is not about objectifying women.
No, not at all.
It is about finding her own confidence, being comfortable in herself. Like, this is very strange for me to hear that you have a bikini round. This projects the mentality and the perception people
And
still have about of this pageant industry.
Yes, even if the pageant had a bikini round,
Hmm.
then I also have that answer. Okay, a woman who can wear a bikini in front of unknown people, man, you cannot break her confidence. She has got that aura. She has got that confidence.
Exactly. Why a swimwear round or a bikini round has been introduced in a pageant, it is how comfortable you are in your body. It is not objectifying women, not at all. So that's important. Accepting yourself in the way you are, embracing yourself, and walking with confidence. That's why the round has been created,
Yes.
right? There are people, even if you're wearing an Indian wear, they have their own comments. If you're wearing a short skirt, they have their comments. It's a mentality of people which can't be changed.
Of course.
But pageant is for a purpose, and it's not only pageant is only for beautiful girls
and not
and
at
pretty
all.
faces. Not at all. It's
And-
the presence of mind which is being challenged, I guess. How was your experience with the question answer round when you were challenged? You were, like I was discussing with you, you were thrown with a lot of questions by the jury members.
Yes, absolutely. And I think a lot of people who are interested to go to pageantry, they might think that what they are going to hear from this conversation with Adelina, because everything we hear is a learning process. Then, my dear girls, I would like to say something. In a pageantry, the one and only thing that will be taken as confidence is your authenticity. Even if you don't know anything, you should have that honesty to say that I don't know this, apart from fabricating your answers, dear. If you have something inside your heart, you're supposed to say that. That is what and how you deal with answers in a pageantry. You be yourself, you be authentic, and be emotional. I am not saying be melodramatic,
No,
but
being
your true emotions.
answer from the heart,
Yes.
having the right presence of mind. Now, coming to this, how, like, we did have a lot of sessions during this 6 months.
Yeah.
How was your experience been? How did you match the training from IPIM and when you went there? How did things flow for you?
Yeah. When I called Adelina with a big question mark that
Shall I go?
I go for a pageantry, then she said that why not. She, of course, she gave me a lot of encouragement, and I knew that she is heading one of the most prestigious image transformation institutes in Kolkata. And while I was talking to her, we discussed certain things, and I took a decision that she's a friend to me. She's the best person who can train me. Now, being me, a woman who is wearing sneakers, running with boom after even after Sunita Williams wearing the shoes in her hand. Now, wearing a heel is something I was very skeptical about. Adolina first told me one thing: lose your weight. And she told me in the month of October. I just concentrated on my weight loss. I went to the gym, I did proper diet, and I reduced almost 15 kilos.
Right.
I was on a shape now. I came to her. She started her classes with me. From questionnaires to self confidence build up to how should I look in front of the camera, each jewelry matching with all the dresses. Before I used to wear a
Now you can share it. It's okay.
it's very funny, I used to wear a pearl earring with a golden necklace. She was like, "Don't wear like this. You should not look like girl next door. You should look like a diva." And of course, those training, and I was like a lip gloss girl. And she told me that even if you go to the next shop beneath your house, you should have a lip gloss and a kajal, even if you're going for a morning walk. And that really helped me when
Of
I
course.
was when I was having my days in the pageantry. We used to go for morning walks, in the early hours, and at 4 a.m. Yes, you heard that right, 4 a.m., 5 a.m., whatever. I used to be fully prepared. मतलब হোটেল से बाहर जाऊंगी তো হোটেল का লোক তো সব জগে हुए
Right.
रहते हैं, সবাই জেগে থাকে। তো তোমাকে যদি একটা বয় দেখে বা কোনো কেউ দেখে, তোমার ওই মানে বিচ্ছিরি রকম চুল
No,
আঁচড়ানো ওইটা কেন
can
দেখবে?
we concept of, first of all, when we dress up, we are
Hmm.
not only dressing for the outside world, we are dressing for ourselves
Ourselves,
also.
yeah.
You feel confident in front of the mirror.
Mhm.
Even it's whether than eyeliner or lipstick, that's very important. You are being presentable. And secondly, when you are stepping out, when you are into this world, you should be a role model to others.
To others.
People should, look up to you. That's why being presentable is very important. And this actually works.
It actually
honest.
works miracles. And you start when you invest certain time for yourself. It's a thing that you start loving yourself because you're pampering yourself. You're going for regular workout sessions. You're doing all those 3 steps of facial care, like
What is that?
cleansing, toning,
Oh
and
God,
moisturizer.
she did the makeup class very well. Good.
Cleansing, toning, moisturizer. And now these informations are available on internet. I, being a lifestyle journalist, I have also written a lot of articles on this, but I've never practiced it myself because I was very confident about my
This
looks.
is a very important point I would like to suggest, because when you're going for pageants or any corporate woman or your entrepreneur, it's very important to learn makeup on yourself, the basic ones. And that's what we encourage, because we see a lot of YouTube videos and we get encouraged, but we don't know what the shade is, how do we
What
apply
your
the
skin
lipstick
type is.
So this self makeup sessions, and I can see like
She actually
Right.
identified my skin and she suggested what niacinamide and vitamin C and everything, and the brands. She knows, she's a brand, she knows everything about the brands, which brand has what. And she suggested me those, and I followed them, I bought them, and I started applying, and I saw the results. It's actually true. And I also learned certain self pampering, like you being a woman who is above 35, there are certain skincare you need to know. Your collagen level of your skin is going down, and wrinkles will come up. You can hide everything, you cannot hide the wrinkles. You should love the wrinkles actually, but with the wrinkles, how to carry yourself with confidence and with awe. That is what I have learned in IPIM. I don't have wrinkles now,
You don't.
but I will have. But I still have the confidence. And
But you know what? The greatest makeup or the greatest
smile
is your self confidence. Once you have the confidence from within, that reflects in any situation.
I would also like to share certain things. The pageant where I participated, Mrs. India Queen of Substance, I took a lot of inspiration from the Emerald category. They have categories, and Emerald participants are from 45 age bracket to 65 age bracket, just our mother's age. And the person with whom I shared the room was a doctor in the army. She was a medical director, and when I saw her, she was wearing bigger heels than mine. She was wearing pencil heels. She had better dresses with her. She was organized. She's a person who doesn't take medicine. Adolina, it's really encouraging and inspiring to see people, especially um, who has already had all the
And
grandchildren.
she's almost in 60s.
She's
She has
almost
seen,
in
she's a mother,
60s.
she's a grand.
62. She's 62. She has a daughter who is my age, and she has seen life. She has had her menopause. She has everything. She has gone through her life. Can you see the zeal? A woman of 62 years old wearing stilettos on carpets and participating in a pageant.
So
What
this is what you get to learn from pageant also, right?
this is something
you know, you
learn.
get to learn to adjust. You hear stories, you see people having different lives. That's also
It's
very
very
inspirational,
And
right?
আমাদের কলকাতা শহরে, আমি কাউকে ছোট করে বলছি না, আমি একটা জিনিস বুঝি। আমি যেহেতু ইস্টের জন্য এই ক্রাউনটা পেয়েছি, it is this crown is a tribute to my roots actually. আমি একটা জিনিস বলতে পারি যে আমার কলকাতা শহরে হিরে মানিক মুক্ত প্রত্যেক ঘরে ঘরে লুকিয়ে রয়েছে, কিন্তু সেই হিরে জহরত মণি মাণিক্য তারা কখনো নিজেদের ব্যাপারে ভাবে না। তারা সবসময় নিজের পরিবারের কথা ভাবে, যেটা ভাবা খুব দরকার। কিন্তু বাবা একটা জিনিস তো আছে যে এই জীবন একবার চলে গেলে দ্বিতীয়বার আর ফেরত আসবে না।
এটা খুব সুন্দরভাবে কথাটা বললি।
হ্যাঁ,
কারণ কি আমি যখন এই মিসেস ইন্ডিয়া ওয়ার্ল্ড ওয়াইড এর ভিসে জার্নিটা গেছিলাম, that's exactly the point I realized, that we girls from Bengal, we are very talented, but somewhere down the line আমরা এই জায়গাটা পাইনি, পজিশনটা পাইনি, বা আমাদের নিজেদের ভাবার জন্য যে that we have to do something for ourselves, that was missing.
এনকারেজমেন্টের বড্ড অভাব রে, এটা আমি বলতে পারি তোকে। এনকারেজমেন্টের ভীষণ অভাব। এই যে এখানে এখন আমি কেন বলছি, এখানে এখনো মানুষের মধ্যে এই ধারণাটা রয়েছে। আই এম নট প্লিজ ডোন্ট ট্রোল আস অন দিস। আমি এখনো একটা কথা বলছি, মানুষের কিছু ধ্যান ধারণা আছে যে প্যাজেন্ট্রি মানেই হচ্ছে বিকিনি পরে র্যাম্পে হাঁটা। না বাবা না, এটা কেউ না, এটা ইট ইজ নট অ্যাবাউট। আমার প্যাজেন্ট্রিতে MIQS মিসেস ইন্ডিয়া কুইন অফ সাবস্টেন্স, দে ডিড নট হ্যাভ দিস রাউন্ড কল দ্য বিকিনি রাউন্ড. We did not walk on the ramp wearing a bikini. What we actually walked with was confidence and a big smile on her face. And a woman is embodied with a lot of things, not only giving to others, but she has got so many things hidden inside her. And আমার মনে হয় যে মহিলাদের
it's a self discovery also, if I may say.
discovery, absolutely, এগুলো না বাইরে বেরিয়ে আসা খুব দরকার। কারণ many people are lost in the process, এবং তাদের গুণগুলো আমরা জানতেই পারি না।
আচ্ছা, এটা আমার স্নেহা ফ্রম জার্নালিস্ট টু প্যাজেন্ট। এবার কি আমরা স্নেহাকে বিলবোর্ডস বা ক্যামেরার এই পাশ থেকে ওই পাশে দেখতে পারি? সো হোয়াট নেক্সট, হোয়াট আর উই এক্সপেক্টিং?
আমি বিলবোর্ডে থাকতে পছন্দ করব। যদি আমার কাছে সেই সুযোগ আসে আমি সেটা ডেফিনেটলি করতে চাইবো। কারণ আমি জীবনে থেমে থাকতে জানি না। I don't know how to put a full stop. I think in this conversation with Adolina, I can say only one thing here. একটাই সেন্টেন্স বলবো, আমি সেদিনই থেমে যাব যেদিন যমরাজ এসে আমাকে এই পৃথিবী থেকে নিয়ে যাবে। সেই দিনই আমার মৃত্যু ছাড়া আমাকে কেউ থামাতে পারবে না। এবং আমি এটা সব মহিলাদেরকে বলতে চাই যে কেউ থেমে থেকো না, সবাই এগিয়ে যাও। তাই জন্য তুই যেটা বললি আমাকে, হ্যাঁ আমার কাছে যদি অফার আসে, আমি যদি দেখি সেটা অফারটা ঠিকঠাক অফার, একটা ঠিকঠাক জায়গা থেকে আসছে, কেন নিজেকে এই জায়গাটা আমি দেব না?
লাইফ ইজ ওয়ান্স,
right? We should live it.
And you don't know which opportunity you might take you to a different level altogether. But of course, if you accept it and you do it from your heart, why not?
একদম আমি যদি সেরকম কোনো অফার পাই, সুযোগ পাই, কোনো পরিচালকের যদি এখন ইন্টারভিউটা দেখে মনে হয় যে ওকে একটা রোল দেওয়া উচিত, ছোট বড় যাই হোক, ঠিক আছে এক্সপ্লোর করবো আমি। তবে হ্যাঁ, এটাও ঠিক, কে অফার করছে, কোন হাউস থেকে অফারটা আসছে, কি রোল আসছে, কি স্ক্রিপ্ট আসছে, সেগুলো তো যেটা বললাম, it's very important that matches with what you want from your heart, what you want to do in life, নিজেকে কিভাবে পজিশন করবে, সেটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। পজিশন করাটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট আমার মনে হয়।
থ্যাংক ইউ স্নেহা। মানে আজকের এই যে আমাদের আড্ডা বা কনভারসেশনটা, মানে আমার দেখে মনে হচ্ছে স্কুল লাইফে যেটা, মানে স্কুল লাইফ কলেজ লাইফে আমাদের যেরকম একটা হতো না যে ওয়ান গার্ল টু গার্ল কনভারসেশন, ইটস লাইক দ্যাট।
হ্যাঁ, মানে তুই তো আমার বন্ধু,
হ্যাঁ অ্যাবসলিউটলি। এন্ড এই কনভারসেশন বা এইটা করার একটাই ওয়ান অফ দ্য কারণ যে অনেক মেয়েরা আছে, দে থিঙ্ক দ্যাট somewhere down the line they have taken responsibilities of being a mother or a wife or other burdens, and they won't be able to do certain things in life. My message to is life is once. if you want to do something in your life, do it. Don't wait for other people's validation. Secondly, what Sneha mentioned about pageant journey. Pageant journey is not about wearing clothes and be objectified. It's about finding you, finding what you want to do in your life, right? Thank you, Sneha. Again, I wish her all the best.
Thank you.
I wish her to see in all the billboards of Calcutta and nationally. Ah, okay, thank you again.
আমি এখানে before ending this never ending before
Never ending conversation, I know.
before ending this
Off the
never
camera,
ending
আমাদের অনেকক্ষণ চলবে।
conversation, I would like to say something about Adolina, because I have seen her in college. I know her entire pageant journey. অনেকগুলো দেশে গিয়ে অনেকগুলো ইন্টারন্যাশনাল প্যাজেন্টে জিতে আজকে এই জায়গাতে এসছে, এবং ও কিন্তু ওর মতো করে ওর একটা প্ল্যাটফর্ম তৈরি করেছে, যেটা ও নিজের চেষ্টায় করেছে। See, this is again a lesson that she has achieved things for herself, and she is also inspiring other women to come forward. একটা কথা আছে না, মহিলারা নাকি মহিলাদের শত্রু। আমরা this brotherhood এর কথা খুব শোনা যায়, কিন্তু this is the sisterhood we want to share with people, and pageant life এ আর কিছু শিখি না শিখি, আমরা কিন্তু সিস্টারহুডটা শিখে যাই।
খুব সুন্দরভাবে কথাটা বলি। ওকে, চিয়ার্স টু দ্যাট, মেবি উইথ চিয়ার্স টু সিস্টারহুড।